Understanding hello there, a friendly greeting in English. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common and friendly greeting, hello there. This phrase is not just a way to say hi, but it's also packed with cultural and contextual nuances. Let's explore what makes hello there so special and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Hello there is a casual greeting used in English-speaking countries. The word hello dates back to the 19th century and is a form of greeting. Adding there to hello gives a friendly and slightly informal tone to the greeting. It's like saying, "Hi, I see you," or "Hey, you're there." This phrase is often used when the speaker is pleasantly surprised to see someone or when trying to get someone's attention in a friendly manner. This greeting is versatile but best used in informal settings. You can use it when meeting friends or acquaintances. It's a warm way to greet someone you know. Starting a casual conversation, if you're approaching someone for a light-hearted chat. In casual or semi-formal emails, as a friendly opening line. However, it might not be suitable in very formal or professional contexts, like serious business meetings or formal events. In different English-speaking cultures, hello there can carry slightly different connotations. For instance, in the UK, it might come off as more traditional, whereas in the US, it's very casual and commonly used. There are also variations like, "Hi there," or "Hey there," which are equally informal and friendly. Let's see some examples of how hello there can be used in everyday conversations. Meeting a neighbor, "Hello there, how's your morning going?" Starting a phone call with a friend, "Hello there, long time no see, how have you been?" In a casual email, "Hello there, I hope this email finds you well." Hello there is a simple yet effective way to greet someone in a friendly and informal manner. It's a phrase that conveys warmth and openness, making it a great tool in your English language toolkit. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using hello there in your daily interactions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.